In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate audio using Google AI Studio. To get started, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio, then click into the official Google AI Studio page. Once you're inside the workspace, look for the currently selected AI model near the top of the interface. Click on it to open the list of available models so you can switch to one that supports audio features. From that model list, click on Audio. This filters the options and makes it easier to choose the right model for speech generation. Next, select an audio model. For example, you might choose a text-to-speech preview model designed for natural voice output. After that, click on the option that says Turn Text into Natural-Sounding Speech. This opens the speech generation interface. Now you can start setting up your audio. First, type in your scene. This helps define what kind of spoken output you want to create. Then add context, which gives the model more guidance about the purpose, style, or situation for the audio. The more clearly you describe the intended use, the better the result will usually sound. Next, open the speaker settings. Here, you can describe the voice persona, such as the tone, age range, energy, or overall speaking style you want. You can also customize the director's note, which gives even more direction on delivery, pacing, and expression. After that, choose your preferred voice from the available options. Once your voice settings are ready, type in the script you want the model to read aloud. If needed, you can also add another speech block, which is useful if you want to break the audio into sections or create multiple parts within the same project. When everything looks good, click Run to generate the audio. After it finishes, you can use the download icon to save the generated audio to your device.